Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Dream Lives. A quick intro about me. I am Milton Viswas, actually a pharmacist by profession, but I have a strong passion for web development, AI code generation, and all things about tech. So I decided to start this channel to share my knowledge and explore how AI can help us to build amazing web apps. Well, this is my first video to this YouTube channel. You will gain some knowledge from this video. You can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram page, so we can connect there. Actually, we are doing something really cool. We'll use Google's Gemini AI to build a fully functional login web page. We are doing something really cool. We'll use Google's Gemini AI to build a fully functional login page in just few minutes. So, what exactly Google's Gemini is? It's Google's latest AI model that can generate code, assist with development, and even help you build complete projects. So today we'll ask Gemini to generate a login page and with email or username and password authentication and see how well it performs, as well as we will put this code on GitHub and make it live using Netlify so that you could really see how it will look for all the users.
A quick disclaimer. In this video, I am not going to host authentication to any server. Instead, I am storing username, email and password into web page. This is not a secure way to handle authentication in real world application. Storing credentials into front end means anyone can inspect the page and see the login details, which make it highly vulnerable to attacks. I am using this method only for the basic demonstration or local testing. If you are building a real world login system, you should use server side authentication with a secure backend and database like Firebase, Node.js or Django.
Well, if you find this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI powered content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. So first of all, we'll go to the Gemini. We'll search for Gemini on Google. Okay, so it's already open. So I'll close this. So first we'll go to google.com and search for Gemini. So we'll click. If you are already logged in, so it will just redirect you to the direct page. If you are not logged in, so just log in first and then. So we'll use 2.0 flash thinking experimental. Hello. No, I don't want thinkings. I'm going to write a prompt that is I want a login page. Just simple login page. Uh, we'll use the basic English or not a ready-made prompt. We'll use just simple language like simple English. So I'm writing I want a login page, simple login page, build with HTML, CSS and JS. So for the design, I want a glass morphism effect on the page. The colors should be royal and vibrant. Use the font Ubuntu. Well, I like the Ubuntu font very much. The font Ubuntu and use the icons as well. Make user with username says Milton and password says 123456. Store the login data into crypt itself, and when user input right credentials, a pop-up shows login successful and then redirect it to my Instagram page. My Instagram page, that is my Instagram page. Instagram.com/Milton. This was X. Okay, so The prompt I am writing here for like just like beginners. I want a login page, simple login page built with HTML, CSS and JS. For the design, I want a glass morphism effect on the page. The color should be royal and vibrant. Use the font Ubuntu because I like the Ubuntu font very much, and use the icons as well. Make user login with username and password. Store the login data into script itself, and when user input right credential, pop-up show login successful, then redirect it to my Instagram page. So again, I'm saying that storing credentials or login database or login credentials or username password into frontend itself is really risky. So I'm just doing this to show you how AI can build, AI can write a script, AI can help you build web apps from the scratch itself. Okay, so this is not a recommended method. So when I put enter and just enter, so it's thinking, let user want a simple login page using HTML. Let's break down functionality, username and password. So credential itself, no backend, with glass margin, royal and vibrant colors, Ubuntu font, use icons, behavior, successful login pop-up, login successful, direct to link HTML, store the login data into script. Plan is so the plan is basic structure, HTML basic boilerplate containing from login page, username, password input field, login style, CSS styling, apply glass formation effect container, set royal vibrant color background as element, use Ubuntu font, style input field, button and container. JavaScript functionality, get user and password from the input field, compare hard-coded credential to this. If credential matches, so alert login direct to given user external. If credential is not, so login failed. The user didn't for this, it's good UX. Okay, so I can use it class member. Okay, ठीक है. So what like Gemini's reply is, okay, I can definitely help you build a simple login page with HTML and JS, incorporating all the design element you have requested. Let's break it down into steps. Here's a HTML plan. Index person will set a basic structure for the login form with input field and username and password and the login button. We'll also link our CSS and JS files. CSS style of CSS will implement the glass marking effect, use royal vibrant colors, apply the Ubuntu font, will list form element and overall page. JavaScript functionality, this is JavaScript functionality. Okay, so as you can see, the Gemini has given the code or script for the HTML as well as the explanation. Okay, so for that, let's go to the desktop and I will use VS Code. Okay, so I'm making a folder, login page. You can see here, so login page, and after that I will right click on here and open with code. So login page, this is open with code. Okay, no problem. Yeah, just clear everything out. Okay, so login page. So as you can see, what Gemini said, let's start with HTML, index.html. Okay, so first we are going to make index.html. So we are making first file. Oh no, here. Okay, right click here, new file, index.html. So I'm doing nothing, just copying things. Okay, so here language, everything is fine. Copy the code, put it here, paste. Okay, then here is the explanation of this. HTML declares HTML5 long root of this file in English, content link style CSS. So next thing is we are doing making style.css into the same folder. So copy and making a new file says style.css. Into style.css I'm going to put this code, control V. Okay, and this is the explanation of it. Actually, you know what the best feature of Gemini is, you can it will explain the body of CSS. I mean everything of CSS or code, that what code is doing what, or just for the future purpose. And finally, let's script add JavaScript. Okay, so we are making a new file says JS. Okay, so new file script.js, and I'm going to copy and paste this to script.js. Okay, so this is explanation of JavaScript. I'm not going to explain all this. Okay, so create 3 files, same folder. Okay, copy the paste, import, open, index into your browser. Okay, you should have a simple login page with glass mouse and royal vibrant colors. Okay, so this is index.html. What if we go live? So this is the login page. Okay, so what is the problem here? So it is going out of the way. Okay, so for that I will be inspecting and input slash username. Okay, where is style just css input dot username. Okay, wait, input, no, wait, input group, input, so input group, input. Okay, input group, input. Okay, so I will be putting 80%. So let's see what is the changes. Okay, so if we refresh it, same login page, the username password milton /1234566. So what if we hit the login page? Login successful. Okay, no, you got the point. Okay, so it can help you to build something like that. So in previous time we use right credentials. Now I'm using uh, right username but wrong password. So what if this, it will pop up like say login field, please check username password. So when I write right password, it says login successful, but when if I play okay, it says sign up for Instagram. Okay, one more time, login successful. So this is my Instagram page, so you got the point. Okay, so this is how Gemini is helpful for creating web apps. So this is the first video, so I just made it like that, and that's it. Okay, so that's it. We just created a fully functional basic login page using Gemini AI and hosted. Okay, so now what next is we are going to host it on Netlify. So for that I will go to github.com. I will make a new repository, says no template. Okay, repository, glass slash login page. Okay, so description is simple glass morphism login page built with Gemini AI for my YouTube video. So this is public or readme. Okay, I don't want it. Just create a repository. Okay, so there are two things I can that can be used to upload things in your room. So that okay, so I already have a file, so I'll be just uploading it here. Choose your file. I'll go to desktop, says login page, and I'll copy every files. Okay, so it's just uploading files. Uploaded file we upload. Okay, commit changes. So it will take a few seconds. Okay, so it will take a few seconds. So now what is the thing? I'm going to make it live so that you also can go. Okay, so what I will do, I will go google.com and then Netlify. I will be logging with Netlify. Okay, so if you already have an account, you can go to just login and it will do the stuff or sign up. Okay, so I already have an account, so I'll be using Netlify and connect, so can log in with GitHub. So this is the very convenient way to get your GitHub codes on Netlify, so that go, so these are the projects I already did. Okay, so what I will do, I will add a new site and import an existing project. Okay, so for inputting, let's deploy a project with GitHub. Okay, I will be putting my codes with GitHub authorized. Okay, and what where is the thing? Class login page. So this is the what I made just now. Okay, site name, login page, demo login. Check available if the domain is available. Demo login one. Yes, it is available. Main branch to high. Okay, so don't interrupt this, don't disturb this all. So just let it be. Deploy, just deploy. A very easy step, like really very easy step. So saying starting a building or deployment message, site configuration, site deployment is in progress. Okay, so demo login one. So okay, so just wait. So it's live now. If I click on the link, what it shows, just simple login page, but now with a domain. So Netlify you can use for many purposes, like not a high-end web apps, but for you know just for your convenience, you can post your resume or simple web app or a demo app like this. So when I click Milton and type password, says login successful, and it will redirect to my Instagram page. Okay, so thank you. Well, that's all for today's video. you know that's all for today's videos. I hope you like this video, and so that's it. We just created a fully functional login page using Gemini AI and hosted on Netlify. So if you find this video helpful, smash that like button. Okay, and subscribe for more AI powered kung fu tutorials. Comment below with what AI project you want to see next. See you in the next one. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, your one subscribe could help me to grow. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.